Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company City House. They're looking for a data entry clerk. It pays up to $31 an hour. The data entry position will be responsible for transferring data from one source to another through data entry equipment, word processing, or verbal recordings. The ability to accurately type and at a fast speed is highly desired. Data entry duties and responsibilities: entering data into appropriate fields, databases, records, and files, transferring data from paper formats via computer, recorders, or scanners, handling numerical data accurately, creating spreadsheets, organizing spreadsheets with large numbers, curating data directly from speech or interviews, updating databases or records with new information as it becomes available, correcting and modifying inaccurate files and records, typing data directly and accurately, complying with security backups and regular checks to ensure data is saved and stored properly, summarizing data for standardized reports, viewing and verifying confidential or private customer, client information, protecting the information and identities of customers, client, verifying data by correctly checking and comparing source documentation, organizing paper formats, paper backups, and material source files as needed. Data entry requirements and qualifications: accurate and precise attention to detail, strong written and verbal communication skills, excellent time management skills, able to prioritize, skilled knowledge in generating process documentation, assist team members when needed to accomplish team goals, fast and accurate typist, able to speak confidently, clearly, and professionally for voice recording data, understands data confidentiality principles and follows them to the letter, high school diploma, associate's degree, or bachelor degree in business, administration, or related field not required but preferred, prior experience handling data entry responsibilities or equivalent experience in a related field, highly organized multitasker who works well in a fast-paced environment, willingness to learn and to grow with the company, self-directed and able to work without supervision, extensive knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite, particularly of Excel spreadsheets, pays strong attention to detail, knowledge of touch typing system preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.